Hello and welcome back. I'd like to show you the kitchen sink unit that I've made for the Art Deco House. And as this video is going to be in two parts because I'm making a wall unit as well. But I have completed the sink unit, so I'm going to show you that. And then it's a couple of days time, and as the wall unit will be coming on. So this is part one of two. Sorry, and I'm going to put my glasses on first so I can see what I'm doing. And that is because without your glasses on, doing these miniatures are very, very difficult because you can't see and then they're small things. So yeah, this is the unit, and this is the well, I'm not really sure if this is the second or third one I've made. Yeah, I ain't no expert at it, but yeah, I think it's come up all right. And then as you can see, all the doors open. They're all open on this one, and also the drawers open. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see it. And I'm severing this one here because that is and where the sink is, and then so that one won't open. And I've got a little tap with and they're running water coming out, and there you can see that. And I hope you can. And then I've sealed all the unit, all of the back is all done, and all the sides done. And but as I said, I haven't done many of them. This is the well, as I said, it's either the second or third one I've done. And then I'm making a wall unit to go with it, so that would be in the next video, and that would be that's in a couple of days time, so please have a look out for that. And if you can let us know what you think about this unit. And I don't think it's come up too bad, and especially like after making only and two or three of them, that's all, and all that. So yeah, so then so if you can let us know. And then what I'm going to do in a minute is put this in the house, and then that's how you can see it inside the Art Deco house, and that is in the kitchen. Right, I'm going to put this down now. On Saturday, the 30th of November, that is next Saturday, and there's the South Kensington Doll's House Festival is and that is and then uptown. So then my wife and I are going to go to that. So and then if you do see us up there, and then as please we'll come over and say hello, and we'd love to see you and have a chat with you. Yeah, so so what I'm going to do now, and then if you can subscribe and push that like button, and let us know what you think of these units. And but keep on watching because I am going to make the wall unit. So what I'm going to do now is put a couple of bits and pieces on this. I'll show you now that I've got it here. Yeah, if you're on, we're going to bring the camera back down to the unit, and because I have got a couple of bowls here, I ain't got many. And then that much stuff to go on here, but we will build it up as we go through. And I've got a couple of bowls, I've got some cling film, and as you can see, a box of that. And then I'm going to put that in, well I don't know what drawer in, I'll just put it in any drawer at the moment. I'm going to put that in that drawer there. And then plus I've got some yogurt. But that's got to go in the fridge when and that's when I'll get the fridge. And then plus we got two jugs, one jug and two glasses. And then we've got and then one jug, and we've got two glasses. Well, the glasses are dirty. Yeah, Tom and Tracy had a light drink and that last night. So and then as I put them in the sink to wash them up. And then plus I've got a little mug. And that's not many, but that's a clean one, so that's got to go up in the cupboards. But I will put that in the wall unit once I made it. So and what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put this into the Art Deco kitchen, and then I'll show you what it looks like in there. Alright, we've got Tom and Tracy standing there, as you can see, with their friends, because they had a drink last night. So, but they're a bit glad now they've got a sink and some water in that, and that is in the kitchen. So, well, I'm going to place this in the kitchen now, and I hope you can see alright. And I'll push that right over, and that fits absolutely perfect in there. And as the unit I'm making, the wall unit, he's going to go on that back wall down there, and I've measured it all, and halfway through making it, so that's why it'll be in a couple of days' time. But it will fit on that back wall, and we'll see in there from there. Yeah. So as I think I mentioned it a little bit earlier on in this thing, in this video. So if you could please like and push that subscribe button, and if you could let me know about this unit and as we think about it, and I think they've turned out all right, and then especially where and haven't been doing it very long, and we ain't experts, but like my wife and I do enjoy making them. Because my wife works and that through the day most days, and that, but she comes home and she even does it when she comes home as well. So it just shows you how much we enjoy doing it, and we like putting videos out for you guys, and so yeah, if you could subscribe, and then we'll be more, and then they're very, very grateful. And I'll see you in the next one. But remember, in the colour days time, we'll have the wall unit one on. So see you then. Right, bye bye.